Welcome dear students. So today let's continue with the worksheet of lesson number 4, Introduction to Scratch. In our last video we have discussed first 5 questions of this worksheet. So let's continue with question number 6. What are the different ways to add sprites in your program? I told you that there are 4 ways to add sprite on the stage. First is we can choose the sprite from the sprite library. Second, we can create our own sprite using paint method. Third, we can upload the sprite from the file as well. Means if we are having some pictures in our computer, then those pictures can be taken as the sprite. Then fourth method is capture the sprite by the camera. With the help of the camera, you can click your photograph and that photograph can be taken as the sprite. These are the same ways in which we can change the background also. Yes, if you want to change the background, then these are the same ways in which we can change the background or backdrop. So, if in the question paper any question comes like this, that what are the different ways to change the background, then you have to mention all these 4 points again. Next question is question number 7. What is a costume? Costumes are different looks or appearances or poses of the sprite. I told you that costume means the pose, different poses or the looks or the appearance. Here you can see that this is one of the sprite. Ballerina. Ballerina, this is the first costume. Costume means the appearance or the pose of this ballerina sprite. In first look, she is standing, and then in different looks, she is doing some exercises. Okay, so these are the 4 different looks or the appearance or pose of a sprite. And these looks are called the costumes. We have also seen that our cat sprite, it is having its 2 costumes. How many costumes it is having? 2 costumes. In first costume, it is simply walking, and in second costume, it is running. So, costume means the looks or appearance or pose of the sprite. Question number 8. Describe different blocks in Scratch. First block is motion block. It has instructions to make the sprite move, such as a number of steps to take, direction of motion, and so on. I told you that inside motion block we are having those instructions that are related to motion. those वो instructions जो चलने से related हैं, they are known as they are related to motion block. So here we have done these instructions. Move instruction is used to move the sprite by the specified number of times. Now here you can change this number also. Another instruction that we have did from the motion block is point in direction. Again, this instruction is used to point the sprite in a particular direction. By changing the number here, you can change the direction of the sprite as well. So here, not only these 2 instructions, motion block is having so many instructions into it. So if you want to move the sprite, then you have to take the instruction from the motion block. So motion block has instructions to make the sprite move. Next is looks block. Looks means the appearance. Okay, now this block has the instruction to change the appearance of the sprite. Appearance means its looks or different poses of the sprite. So if you want to change the appearance, if you want that after running appearance of a cat, a walking cat should come, then in that case you have to select the instruction from the looks block, and for this we can choose the instruction like switch costume or next costume. So with the help of these two costumes instruction, we can change the costume of a sprite. Along with this instruction, there is some another instruction also. You can also try it. Say hello for 2 seconds. These instructions basically help a sprite to speak. So if you want that your cat, your sprite should speak something, then you can take these instructions. Next is pen block. It has the instruction to provide the trail of the sprite. Here trail, I told you that here trail means line. So if you want to draw a line or any shape on the stage, then with the help of pen block, you can draw that line or shape on the stage. So pen block has the instructions to provide the trail of the sprite. Here we can change the color, size of the trail also. Inside pen block, we have read all these instructions. I explain you the use of pen down instruction. With the help of pen down, you can make the pen down. And along with pen down, we use move instruction. So, if you want to draw a line, then you have to use pen down along with move instruction. Clear instruction is used to clear the stage. Similarly, we can change the pen color also, pen size also. Here there is an instruction change pen size by 1, 2, 3. So you can change the color of pen, the size of pen as well. Next is sound block. Sound block has instructions to make the sprite speak, add musical notes and so on. Different blocks are categorized according to the instructions they are actually having in it. Not only by the instructions, different blocks are also identified by its color. So sound block having pink color. Pen block is having green color. Motion block is having blue color. So in this way different blocks are having different colors and different types of instructions. So in sound block we are having this instruction play sound meow until done, or if you want to increase or decrease the volume also, you can change the number here and you can change the volume of the sprite. Next is control block. As the name indicates, this block has the instruction to control the animation. If somewhere you want that your sprite should repeat something or you want that your sprite should wait for something, then in that case we use control instruction. Here we have used this instruction wait. In one program we have used wait instruction, and the reason for having wait instruction in any program is that if you want that your sprite should wait for some time, and after waiting for some time it should do some work, then in that case to pause a sprite we can use wait instruction. Not only this, we are having multiple number of instructions, but for now we will concentrate only one instruction. Next question is question number 9. Write a program in Scratch to make a trail of the sprite. Now here in question paper it may come that they may ask to you to make a program, or some another form of question is a program is given to you and they may ask that write down the output for the program. So you should be prepared for both of these situations. So here the question is we have to write a program in Scratch to make a trail of the sprite. Again I told you that meaning of this word trail is line. Yes, we have to draw the line. So if I want to draw the line, then which block I will use? Yes, I will use pen block. So our first instruction is pen down. So here we have not written when flag click. It's your wish. If you want to use it, then to run or to execute the program, you have to click on green flag. And if you are not using when flag click instruction, then in that case double click the code and then program automatically will be executed. So the first instruction is pen down. By making the pen down, what will happen? Our pen will be positioned at one point. After that, second instruction is set pen color to green. By this instruction, the color of pen will become green. Then third instruction, point in direction. Point in direction is used to move the sprite in particular direction. I told you that we are having four directions, and for each and every direction we are having a number 90, 0, 180. So for every direction we are having a number. So if we want to go up, then the value is 0. If we want to go down, then the value is 180. So in this way we are having different values for each direction. So we have up till now what we have done, we make the pen down, we have set the color of pen to green, and then we will point the direction into the right, and after that we will move 100 steps. Now we will move 100 steps to the right. So I request you all that please run this program on your PC, laptop, and if you are not having, then you can run this program on your mobile as well. Second is question is write a program in Scratch to make the